It was a weird ending to the game.
Well, you guys a little bit of confidence. I mean, it was the first time you guys have been behind. You were ahead almost all the whole game last week.
Yeah, I don't know what it was. We felt like going in the half, we felt alright about how we've been playing. We thought we'd just keep the high pressure going, and the second half was just different. We just didn't get it done. Once they scored the goal, we just didn't play as well.
It seemed like they got a bit of a jump on the two subs. I mean, did those fresh legs kind of tip the scales even a little bit?
Yeah, the two guys that came in are obviously good players, Moreno and Ekpo. So we knew they were coming in at halftime. We talked about it at halftime. Couldn't adjust properly.
How do you rebound from this?
I mean, we still know we can play good soccer. So we just have to be confident. We can't let this get to us too much. We know we can play well. So we just gotta do the same thing next week we did last week.
I mean, did Frank talk at all about playoffs? I mean, is that
winning games is the most important thing. Our goal is definitely the playoffs, but each weekend our goal is to win the game. This week our whole goal is to beat Columbus. Now our focus will be on Kansas City.